Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the track and inserting Logic Pro X compressor. This gets you into processing immediately. You set input gain so meters sit around -6 dB because headroom prevents unwanted clipping and lets the compressor work predictably. Next, select a compressor model that fits the material, vintage for color, clean for transparent control, so you know how character will change. Once done, engage the bypass toggle to a /B compare. Make small gain adjustments to match perceived loudness before moving on. You now focus on the core controls: threshold, ratio, attack, and release. Start by dropping threshold until the gain reduction meter reads about 3 to 6 dB. This gives audible control without squashing dynamics. Then pick a ratio, 2 to 1 for natural tightening, higher for more obvious compression. Adjust attack from very fast to slow to either tame or preserve transients, and set release so the compressor recovers musically. When release matches tempo and phrasing, the track breathes naturally. You finish by balancing makeup gain and listening in context. Make sure the compressed track sits well in the mix. Use parallel compression or sidechain if you need attack clarity with sustained body, because these techniques preserve transients while increasing perceived loudness. If you hear unwanted pumping or breathing, lengthen the release or reduce ratio and check for input peaks that re-trigger compression. Finally, automate threshold or makeup gain where needed so the processing serves the song across sections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.